In the past decade, the beauty industry isn't really known for its innovation. However, these bad boys right here, and let me put your mind at ease. Even though I've been doing makeup for 10 years, I hate doing eyelashes. I don't know what it is. I can do eyelashes on other people with my eyes closed. On myself, I want to cry. Also, I'm not a big liner person. I don't really like a big black liner covering my eyeshadow because, as you can see, I normally really like to go ham with the shadow. I don't like liner to cover my eyeshadow, so when I do lashes, I tend to not have any liner, which the liner can really cover all sins when it comes to the lashes. If your lash is too high, if it's not real tight up against your natural lash line, it's gonna show that nude space in between, so you have to get them so close. I always trim the inside of my lash off, because if it's too close in here, it's poking, I wanna rip them off, let alone how uncomfortable regular lashes feel. Then we're also dealing with fussing with glue. If you paint the glue on first, it can stick when you open your eye, or if you put the glue on the lash band first and it's not dried down enough, you go to put it on the eye and then it's goopy and slippy slidey. But these are the new Kiss Impress lashes, possibly one of the most innovative things to hit the market in forever. They are press-on lashes. These are in the cut Voluminous, and this is the full pack that comes with this tweezer. I don't like this tweezer. I don't know what it is. I don't enjoy that tweezer that has that big thing, so I tend to just use my own tweezer. But the great thing is, if you listen to our Beautiful and Bothered podcast, we've been ranting and raving about this, and we've also been telling Kiss to please just make refill packs with just the lashes that don't have the tweezer in it. And I'm gonna flatter myself and say they listen to the podcast, because not only did they do that, but they are cheaper, which is great. All right, let's get into this, because I'm telling you, this is gonna be a game changer for you. These voluminous ones are obviously a little bit more dramatic because but they have supernatural ones, and if you just want a simple eye and you almost want to feel like you have lash extensions and it's just like your lashes are the star of the show, I can't tell you how easy these are. So let's just dive in. Okay, so on the regular pack, we have on the bottom row, these are long and then medium. The good thing is the refill pack comes with long, medium, and short. We are gonna go in with the long first. And how these work, like normal cluster lashes, instead of these just being bare lashes that you need to put glue on, right on the top of every single one is a little strip of adhesive tape. So you're not even dealing with glue. So with regular tweezers, I just like to grab the first lash here. And the other beautiful part about this is they do not go on top. They go underneath, so you don't feel them at all. That little tape strip is on the top of this lash. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for you and try not to cover my microphone or the camera. So all you gotta do is take the lash, put it underneath your lashes, and you're gonna kind of just stop it right at the waterline. You don't want it to touch the waterline, which is the strip of skin under here. You just wanna go right to the base of your lashes, put them there, and give it a very gentle push up. And then, even if it's not perfect, I just take my finger and kind of blink down on it, because now it's pressing that tape onto your natural lashes. And they're on. That's it. Now I'm gonna do a second long. Normally I like to do 2 or 3 long and then transition into the medium. So then same thing. And I love that they're bigger because like you really only need 3 if you want. Now obviously gonna go underneath, put them at the base of my lashes right next to the one I just did. There. Blink on the finger. Done. Okay, I'm gonna do one more long. And as well, while I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell you, I wore these to a wedding. While I was in the car, it was the very first time I was using them, and I think a liner I used, like, really was irritating my eye, so I was rubbing and rubbing, I started tearing, I was like, oh my god, and I literally pulled all my lashes off because I needed to fix my eyeliner, and I went back and literally put them back on, and they stuck again. So the other good thing about this is if you do take them off, I have gotten second and third wears out of these, so don't think it's like a one-time only situation. Oh my god, it's on! That's it! That is it. Now we're gonna grab the medium. My friend Kevin does this with his hands. I don't know how he puts lashes on with his hands. I need to use tweezers. And what I love about these two, unlike a strip lash, is like, let's say you're really feeling cray-cray. Sometimes I grab another long, or I even grab maybe like a different cut that's a little bit more feathery or spiky, and you can build up the outside and add maybe one more to the outside just to give a little bit more thickness or volume, however you want it to look. On, done, done. Are you kidding me? You can't tell me that isn't revolutionary. And I know what you're thinking, Johnny. You're right-handed. Of course they're gonna be easier on the right side. No. Left side, same gig. Take them, line them up, slightly push up. Take the thingy and press down on. And they're on. And I genuinely can't even explain how comfortable these are to wear. Because listen, I also wear contacts. So when I wear a full face of makeup, my contacts drive me insane. Especially if I'm wearing makeup all day or it's like an event or something and it's late at night. I understand I'm only 31, but inside, I think I'm 75. I want to go to bed, I'm tired. And when I go to these events, it's these 20-year-olds who are like, the event ends at midnight and they're like, oh, you want to go out? I'm like, no, thank you. Not only am I tired, but you know if you wear contacts around the witching hour when that carriage is turning back into a pumpkin, it's bedtime because the contacts get so dry and they make you more tired. I don't know about y'all, but lashes make me more tired. I feel like I have something on my eye and by the end of the night, I'm just like, I'm dying to pop these off. And I think a big part of that is because it's on the top lash line. I can't explain to you how comfortable these are because you don't feel them. They're not touching the skin. Look how we have the whole shadow look, which obviously I did my mascara before I do these. You can see your entire eyeshadow look and they're just like attached to the bottom of your lashes, so you don't even know you have them on. And that's it, y'all. That is these lashes. Look at her. Look at her. Kudos to Kiss. As I said, as we're living in an era with Muppets palettes and just brands one after the other copying each other. This one comes out with a highlight wand. This one comes out with a highlight wand. This one comes out with a highlight wand. Thank you for genuinely making something innovative and easier for everyday consumers. I hope this helped you guys and inspired you to maybe try out lashes. Because listen, in my opinion, there's nothing better than just nice clean skin, a simple eye, and some beautiful lashes to do the heavy lifting for the glam. I also want to say as well, and take a quick second, but this video right here is the very last video I'm filming in my apartment. Because when I'm filming this, my husband Casey and I are closing on our house tomorrow morning. And after I'm done filming this video, I'm gonna break everything down. It's pretty bare bones in here already, but you know, we just have the lights and the backdrop and ooh, God, okay. Now we're gonna find out if the lashes are waterproof. Those of you that supported me from the beginning and found my channel from all my shorts, my makeup shorts, and my comedy shorts, I never thought putting a towel on my head and playing Barbara was gonna change my life, but it isn't really her. I'm not gonna give her that credit. It's you guys that kept watching, and especially going into the end of this year and new year, I wanna focus so much more on videos like this and long form because not only is there more just relationship building and more of a connection between you and I, but I get to actually do what I love, which is teaching you a decade of makeup knowledge in a more intimate way. So especially for those of you that always come back to my long form and subscribe and turn the notifications on and like the videos. You guys have changed my life and you are a big part of the reason I am moving into a new house tomorrow. And I think about this beauty studio that is my second bedroom in our apartment. It is a 10 by 10 room that has a whole closet jutting out in it, so it's even smaller. And when I started out, not only did I used to film in this little alleyway back here, but there was a queen bed in here and we slept in here. And I can't believe I did that for a year and a half. Moving into this new house, how I'm gonna be able to just up everything and make the content even better and better and better for you guys is what I'm most excited about. Because I would have no career without social media, but I would have no happiness and frankly, joy in this career if it wasn't for YouTube and you guys on YouTube who continue to come back and watch my videos. So signing off one last time from the OG space that this all started. I love you. I hope you are happy, safe, and healthy. And next time I see you, we'll be in a brand new studio. Bye, guys.